Otu jet rid of bad breath. Terarmani riazon to cove bad breath, halitosis, butif your red of kick fixes en ou en to jet rid of halitosis on se en foral, taquetes instructions to ir. Orschuld vese, moot. Brush your tête regularly. Two major source of moot odor are bacteria and decaying full particle. There are hundred of no cancrani in the fertile landscape of your moot to earth offending bit of rock and jet lodged. Skeus abscised amu 1 of toothpaste onto a soft bristlet toothbrush, en old brush à 45 degrés angle toute gomme. Brush your tête on every surface in short, gentle stroke, ben careful no to presto or irritate te gomme. If done properly, brushing should take about 3 minutes. Brush your tête en rince with mouthwash à liste twice a day, en floss à liste once a day. Take care to brush alt area of your mouth, including gum and tongue, en eau just your tête. Clean your tongue. It in or no to simply brush your tête. Since your tongue all of surface area en covered with textured mangrove, it harbor more bacteria than the rest of your mouth combined. Removing the bacteria on your tongue can go a long way in reducing your bad breath. You can buy a brush or a tongue brush from store, or simply use your regular soft bristlet toothbrush. Brush your tongue from back to front, rinsing the brush between stroke. If you have a sensitive gag reflex, tongue brushing may aggravate the problem. Riad to suppress the gag reflex for some tip. Floss every day. Flossing your teeth is just important to go oral health brushing, en even more important for reducing bad breath. Make it a much of a mindless habit a brushing your teeth. At first, your gum might be you dislodge knock off a photo have stuck to your teeth en gum for who no long. But a second to smell the floss after you pass it through your teeth, if you dare. You'll or smell, or hurt bad breath coming from. Use mouthwash. Mouthwash help to keep your mouth moist and help to prevent bad breath. Use a mouthwash containing chlorine dioxide. Many of the bacteria that cause halitosis live on the back of the tongue, too far back to remove with regular brushing or scraping. Luckily, vigorous washing with a chlorine dioxide containing wash can neutralize those bacteria. Try rinsing with mouthwash before brushing, flossing, and brushing or scraping the tongue, and again when you're done. It will ensure that you neutralize any bacteria that remain after the process is complete. Consider chewing gum. En gum will help with bad breath because the chewing action reçue in more saliva ben produced. Some gum, however, have better bad breath fighting ability than others. Cinnamon flavoring seems to be especially effective in reducing bacteria in your mouth. Look for gum sweetened with xylitol, sugar only feed bacteria, causing more odor problem. Xylitol is a sugar substitute that actually work to prevent bacteria from replicating in the mouth. Keep your mouth moisturized. A dry mouth is a stinky mouth. Tawi your breath is worse in the morning, your mouth produce less saliva you sleep. Saliva is enemy of bad breath because not only does it physically wash bacteria and food particles away, but it also a antiseptic enzyme tackle bacteria. Chewing gum stimulate saliva production, in addition to covering up to odor with some kind of scent. Miantedono encourage saliva production. Drink water. Switch to water between your teeth from side to side. Water on necessarily increase saliva production, but it wash out your mouth, and it go for you. So to drink more water every day. Dry mouth can be caused by certain medication en medical condition. Ask your doctor about switching medication, or addressing the underlying condition. Stop smoking and chewing tobacco product. In case you need a dietary reason to stop the dangerous habit, tobacco is notorious for causing bad breath. Tobacco addiction can be a hard habit to break, so visit the helpful wiki page for tips and advice. In some cases, bad breath can be an early sign of oral cancer caused by smoking or chewing tobacco. It is vital that you stop smoking and see your doctor to be evaluated for the very serious condition. Eliminate odor of food. Our body absorbs the flavor and odor of the food we eat, so particularly odor of cuisine can lange in your breath for or after eating. Consider eliminating the food from your diet, or at least be sure to brush after eating. Vegetable in Thallium family, like onion, garlic, leek, enchive, have a notorious pungent aroma. Eating the food and food prepared with them like hummus or curry can leave your breath particularly aromatic. However, the food also have many health benefits, so rather than eliminating them, try to limit them to time when you will be alone after work, like dinner at home. Recognize that even brushing your hand and to really eliminate the garlic smell and the pungent aroma. In fact, your body digests the food, and t'odorguant the bloodstream en linguant comme bacca ou taguin à bad breath. If you eat a diet very against the food, reducing them, we to completely eliminating them, may go a long way in improving your breath. Eliminate or reduce coffee and alcohol. The chemical components beverage alter environ of your mouth, making it favorable for odor causing bacteria to thrive. If you can or don't want to keep drinking this beverage, be sure that after drinking them you rinse your mouth well with water or a mix of on par baking soda to et par water, and then brush your teeth well about 30 minutes later. Avoid brushing directly after drinking coffee or alcohol, or acidic food or drink, at acidic drink can make your teeth vulnerable to abrasion from brushing. Eat some carb. Did you know that if you're on a low carb diet, you might have ketone breath? Basically, your body break down fats instead of carb for energy, it creates ketone, some of which are rolled in your mouth. Unfortunately, ketone smell bad, and so will your breath. If you're on a strict carb restricting diet, or an diet that forces you to burn fat instead of carb, consider trying healthy carb-rich snack and oat mix, like apple or banana. In addition, fruit with vitamins contain will help you fight potentially harmful bacteria, which can be a cause of bad breath. It will also happen to onion who fast, whether for religious reasons, or because they are anorexic. If you are anorexic, bad breath is only one of the reasons to stop starving yourself. Read to cope if you want to become anorexic. Talk to a doctor. If you've followed above steps diligently and bad breath persists, you may have a medical issue that needs to be treated. Bad breath is a symptom or right in your body. If altering your hygiene practices and your diet no improve your symptom of bad breath, try a good chance that try some imbalance, infection, or disease in your body that causing it. Look for tonsil stone. These are lumps of calcified food, mucus, and bacteria that collecting the tonsil, and can be seen a white spot. They are often mistaken for a infection such as tetra. Something they are too small to be visible in a mirror. Tonsil stones are often harmless because are making bad breath. If you use a small white patch on the tonsil, try swabbing it gently with a cotton swab, be careful not to gag yourself, and don't press too hard. If it come off on the swab and a liquid or pus, you likely have a tonsil infection, however. If it doesn't come off or if it come out a solid chunk of white matte, it likely a stone. Smell it and you'll know for sure. You might also notice a metallic taste in your mouth or an obstructed feeling when swallowing. Consider whether you have diabetic ketoacidosis. If you have type 2 diabetes, it may be causing your body to burn fat instead of glucose, which roll ketone, a chemical that reçu in bad breath. Bad breath can be caused by metformin, a type 2 diabetes medication. If you take metformin, talk to your doctor about alternate treatment option. Consider tes potential culprits. There are a vast array of illness that can cause halitosis, including the following. Trimethylamine. If your body can break down a chemical called trimethylamine, it will burn that in your saliva, causing bad breath. It will also burn that in your sweat, so persist body odor might be an accompanying symptom. Infection. Several types of infection such as sinusite and infection of the stomach can result in bad breath. It is important to have unusual symptoms checked out by your doctor, including iron. Kidney disease or failure, in particular, a metallic or ammonia taste en sang toute breath can indicate severe problem with the kidney. See your doctor if you have the symptom.